Here I have HUAWEI Nova Y90, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this corner icon here, then tap next, agree, while using the app. Yes, get started. So here you have the first thing, code scanner. So let's scan, for example, this QR code. So as you can see, it asks you to redirect you to third-party apps. So it suggests you to open the page which is being encoded to this QR code in browser. So let's do it. And here you can see this page, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.